My name is Tuvia, and I just listed a new construction 4-unit just south of Koreatown. The building is located in Pico Union, just south of Koreatown and just north of West Adams, two very prime locations, and is poised for a lot of rent growth as well. The building consists of all 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom units, very large. What I really like about this property is the building is 3 years old and it's not subject to rent control. It has over a 5.4 current cap rate, just over 14 times gross on the current rents, a little bit of upside in the units as well. What's really nice about this property is it's cash flowing from day one, and you can get a highly levered loan on it because it qualifies for 30-year fixed financing. So you could do this with 25% down and be cash flowing from day one. The immediate block alone has a lot of new product coming to market and a lot of new construction within a few blocks of New Hampshire. In this environment, yield is key, and this building has a very good initial cap rate, and you can get high leverage with no rent control.